Hi guys, welcome to Comandante. Today we're going to do a video to look at the Red Clix Axle. So we have a standard axle here and a Red Clix Axle. The standard axle comes with all grinders as standard, and the Red Clix Axle is an optional extra designed for those who are looking for more adjustments when they're dialing in for espresso or finer grind settings, and also for those who are taking their Comandante grinder to competition and just want that extra bit of precision. So the main difference is that the standard axle changes the grind size per click by 30 microns. The Red Clix Axle changes this particle size by 15 microns. So remember, it's 1000 microns in 1 millimeter, so we're talking very, very fine adjustments here. The Red Clix Axle is going to give you all of the precision you need for dialing in that espresso perfectly and getting your coffee tasting just right. So let's talk about how you get this into your grinder. The first step is to disassemble your grinder as you would if you're cleaning the grinder, and that just involves unscrewing the dial all the way. So being careful not to lose any of the washers or anything, so do this above a flat surface as always. Take everything out. We don't need the standard axle and the standard dial anymore, so we can put those away so that we don't confuse which is which. And the washers are coming in first as always. Remember, with the flat side facing out. So if I look in to the grinder here, I can see only the flat side of the washer facing up. So the Red Clix Axle is going to come in just like the standard axle. It's exactly the same process. And again, the other washer with the raised edge in contact with the bearing and the flat edge facing out at me and the cone. And here, when we screw the dial onto the Red Clix Axle, you want to be nice and gentle. Be careful because it's a very fine thread. So don't rush it, just make sure that it's on perfectly straight. And once that's the case, you can spin it on like that and you're ready to go. So the simple way to remember what difference the Red Clix Axle makes is that the Red Clix Axle is going to double the number of clicks in comparison to the standard axle. So say for example, your filter coffee was tasting great at 25 clicks on your standard axle. Now you just need to go to 50 clicks on your Red Clix Axle and start from there. With your Red Clix Axle in place, you're using your grinder just like you normally would. Have fun, enjoy your coffee. Bye for now.